we've got two different points on an exponential graph, and we like to find the equation that represents this graph. So we've got two different points. So we're just going to plug these into the basic form. So b times a to the 1 equals 2. And then plugging in our other point, b times a to the negative 1 is equal to 2/9. All right, now we just need to solve for a and b. And we'll do that with a simple substitution. We'll take this first equation and we'll solve for a. A is equal to 2 over b. And then we can take that and plug it back in to the second equation. So we have b times 2 over b to the negative 1 equals 2/9. Now using our rules of exponents, a negative 1 power flips the fraction, so that's b over 2. And this becomes now b squared divided by 2 equals 2 over 9. So multiplying both sides by 2, we have b squared equals 4 over 9. And now we take the square root, and we get b equals plus or minus, because every time you take a square root, you have a plus or minus. And the square root of 4 is 2. The square root of 9 is 3. Okay, we're going to have to figure out which one of these it is. And we're going to do that by going up here and looking at our a. A is 2 over b. So it's either 2 over 2/3 or it's 2 over negative 2/3. Okay. Now 2 over 2/3 is 3, and 2 over negative 2/3 is negative 3. And for exponential functions, the base, which is a in this case, has to be positive. So we're not allowed to have negative 3, meaning it couldn't have been the negative 2/3. So our b is positive 2/3 and our a is 3. So our function equals b and then a to the x.